Hello guys, welcome back to Zik, the programming Girl channel. My name is Beatrice and in today's video, I'll be showing you how to see Spotify weekly listening stats. So as we all know, that's what is actually trending right now. You can see it on some people's WhatsApp status trying to showcase their weekly listening stats or their wrapped for 2025 on their Spotify. So how are you going to do the first thing first? You have to make sure your Spotify app is up to date, is updated. So click on your Play Store or your Apple Store, search for Spotify and update your app. After updating your app, you need to click on open. Once you click on open, you can now click on listening stats, right? So click on that, and here is where you're going to see all your weekly stats, all the songs you played for the week, and the rest of that. So you scroll down, to down. You're going to see the ones you hit, play, keep on repeat, and the rest of that. You can see the one you got streaks on. I got 3 days streak on this particular song. As you can see right here, you can get like a lot of days, maybe 365 days streak on this particular one, and you can just decide to share it. So you can see this share icon right there. Once you click on that, you can now post that on your IG story, your message, Snapchat, Instagram, Telegram, Facebook Messenger. So that's how it works. You can scroll down. So you see, this is my final notes because I did little of music this year. I did more movie, so that's why you can see that. If this guide was helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. That's my next video. Bye.